Okay, now integration. So integration here, symbol is f of x dx, so that is another value we get after integration, right? So there are some formulas for integration. Integration 1 dx, right? Because of nothing is here, so 1 into dx, so that is x. Integration x raised to n dx, so power plus 1 upon power plus 1. So that is simple integration formula of x raised to n, where n must not equal to minus 1, right? Because if it is minus 1, so then there will be 0, and here in denominator there will be 0, so answer will be infinite. Integration x raised to minus 1 dx, right? So if it is x raised to minus 1 dx, now this rule is violated because n must not be equal to minus 1, but that answer will be in log. So integration 1 upon x dx is equal to log x, right? It is we will not direct get any value, right, like before x raised to, but it is log x. Now fourth one, integration e raised to x dx, it remains same. Now fifth one, integration e raised to ax dx, now there is factor which is a multiplied, so term as it is, but now upon differentiation of that power itself. So a is constant here, dx by dx is 1, so we are left with e raised to ax upon a. Then sixth one, integration ax dx, so a raised to x as it is, then log a base e, right? Then 7th, integration sin x dx, so sin function, so that will be minus cos, so function change, and sin is also negative. Then integration sin ax dx, right? So that function will be minus cos ax upon d by dx of that coefficient ax. So a is constant, dx by dx 1, so we are left with minus cos ax upon a. Then integration cos x dx, so that is function change, and sin is also remains as it is. Integration cos ax dx, so cos ax dx will be sin ax, and similar d by dx of ax, that is a, so that's why here it is written a. Then last here, integration x square x dx, it is tan x, and integration cos x square x dx is equal to minus cot x, right? Integration sec x tan x dx, so that is sec x. Integration cosec x cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x. Then integration tan x dx is equal to, see, tan is sin upon cos, so sin x upon cos x dx, so minus minus, we are multiplying with minus minus, right? We can multiply, so here it is cos x, so log of cos x, because 1 upon cos x, so that is minus log of cos x base e, right? Now see, here it is log e cos x, right? Here integration of minus sin x also there, so here we have to apply division rule, and then we will get that answer. Then integration cot x dx, so cot x means cos upon sin, so log sin x, again that divisional rule, right? Now integration dx upon under root 1 minus x square, that is sin inverse x. Integration dx upon x into under root x square minus 1, that is sec inverse x. Integration dx upon 1 plus x square, so that is tan inverse x. integration of u plus or minus v plus or minus omega plus or minus so on dx. So integration will be multiplied to each term. So this operation should be applied to each term. So integration u dx plus or minus integration v dx plus or minus integration omega dx, right? Now some equations are there. First, x raised to cube. So integration x raised to cube dx. So power plus 1 upon power plus 1. So that is that answer. Now second, that is x square plus 1 by x. So integration of that into dx. So integration x square dx plus integration 1 upon x dx, right? So is equal to x cube by 3 plus log x base e. So that is the integration of second, that is the solution of second equation. Now for third, integration e raised to 3x dx. So e raised to 3x as it is. Now d by dx of 3x. So e raised to 3x upon 3 is constant, dx by dx 1. So that is the answer of third one, right? Now fourth one, so that is the integration of x minus 1 upon x raised to square dx. So x minus 1 upon x power plus 1 upon power plus 1, right? Power plus 1 upon power plus 1. Then after here we have to integrate this individually. So into individual integration, so x dx x square by 2 minus 1 by x dx, that is log x base e. So that is solution for this, right? So I can write is equal to x minus 1 upon x raised to 3 upon 3, right, into x square by 2. So this will be multiplication minus log x base e. So that will be is equal to x minus 1 upon x raised to 3 x square upon 6 minus log x base e, right? So that is the solution of this one. Now time for fifth one, that is integration x raised to minus 1 by 2. I can write dx. So power plus 1 upon power plus 1. So x raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. So that will be 2 under root x, right? Because 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So that is 1 minus 1 by 2, and that is half. So 2 root x, right? And now this sixth one, 4 integration of 4 e raised to 5x dx. So 4 constant e raised to 5x. So now differentiation of 5x. So 5 is constant, dx by dx 1. So 4 e raised to 5x upon 5. So that is the solution of this one. So now definite integral means now integration has its own limits, right? So how we are going to apply limits? So for first equation, right, in that first equation constant terms we have to take it as outside. So g mm are constant. Integration is from 1 upon x square dx, and that is from infinite to capital R. So g mm, now x raised to minus 2 I can write, right? So x raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. So x raised to minus 1 upon minus 1, and upper limit r lower limit is infinity. So minus g m m upper limit 1 upon r, right, because it is 1 upon x. So first upper limit minus lower limit, 1 upon infinite is 0. So now we are left with only here I am writing, that is g m m upon r. right? So that is the solution of first equation. Now for second equation, this one, cos x dx. Cos x dx differentiation is sin x. Sin x upper limit pi by 2 and lower limit 0. So sin upper limit minus lower limit. So you have to put here all the limits, upper minus lower. Sin pi by 2, 1 minus 0. So answer is 1 for this one. Now for third one, x raised to cube. So that answer is x raised to 4 by 4. Power plus 1 upon power plus 1, upper limit 2, lower limit 1. So is equal to 2 raised to 4 upon 4 minus 1 raised to 4 upon 4. So 2 raised to 4, 16 by 4, 16 by 4 is 4 minus 1 by 4. So that is 15 by 4. So that is the solution of this one, right? Now fourth one, mv/dv. From this equation, mass is constant. v/dv integration is v square by 2. Upper limit v, lower limit u. So m, and that is upper limit minus lower limit, right? So that is fourth. Now for fifth one, this one, so sin x integration is minus cos x, upper limit pi by 2, lower limit minus pi by 2, right? So upper limit minus lower limit, because minus already is there in equation. So cos pi by 2, cos 90 is 0, right? So minus minus plus, again cos 90, but here it is minus pi by 2, right? So minus cos minus pi by 2, so that is, and cos minus pi by 2 is again 0, so answer will be 0 for this one also. Then next here, this one, cos x dx, right? Cos x dx, sin x, upper limit pi by 2, lower limit minus pi by 2. So upper limit sin pi by 2 minus lower limit sin minus pi by 2. So sin 90, 1 minus here again minus 1, so that will be 2. So answer of this one is 2, because sin minus pi by 2 is minus 1, so minus minus become plus. Now for next this one, here 1 upon c is constant, so q dq, that differentiation is q square by 2. Upper limit q, lower limit is 0, right? So 1 upon c, upper limit minus lower limit, so that is q square upon 2 into c, right? Then next one, integration d theta upon theta minus theta 0 or 1 raised to 1 it is. So answer for that is log theta minus theta 0 base e, right? It is like 1 upon x dx. So that is, and after that, see upper limit and lower limit. So upper limit theta and lower limit is theta 1. So now in log, we know that upper limit minus lower limit, but in log subtraction is division. So here theta minus theta 0 upon log theta 1 minus theta 0, because they are in subtraction, right? So it is division. So here both will be in same log. So by mistake only I have written this log, one more log. So I have to write here this one, theta 1 minus theta 0, right, in division.